Okay, good morning students. Yesterday I will complete the before derivatives of implicit functions, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. And next one, derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. First of all, exponential function. Derivatives of exponential function. Okay. First of all, discuss the exponential formula derivatives. Derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. So, derivatives of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax. Again, derivative of a power x is equal to a power x into log a and so on. This is the first of all exponential formulas. So, go to next exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. The first one is e power x by sin x. Y is equal to e power x by sin x. Or by using the u by v formula, ORR u by v formula, you can apply ORR e power x into 1 by sin x is equal to what? Cosecant x. 1 by sin x is equal to cosecant x. So, u by v formula or u into v formula? You want any formula, your choice. Maybe maximum of students, maximum of members apply the u into v formula. U into v formula is better than the u by v formula and easy. So, u into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx. Y derivative dy by dx. So, what is the u into v formula? U into v dash. V dash means derivative of v, d by dx of cosecant x. So, v into cosecant x into d by dx of e power x. So, e power x into cosecant x derivative minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x plus cosecant x into derivative of e power x. So, enough are simplified. Which one is common? E power x common, you can take common e power x or e power x into cosecant x, anyone. So, e power x into cosecant x, you take common. So, e power x into cosecant x common is first of all 1 minus cot x. This is the answer. This is also answer. Some textbooks answer only e power x will common. Anyone? This is next one. e power sin inverse x, e power sin inverse x. what we have to apply the which formula? E power x formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx and dy by dx of e power sin inverse x. What is the formula? Derivative of e power x must be applied the e power x formula because of the base is e. Base is not e, another one 2, 3, 4 means a power x formula. Derivative of e power x is equal to formula e power x. First of all, write the e power x. X means not x, sin inverse x. And again derivative of x. What is x? Sin inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to e power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, next. E power x cube. Third one, e power x cube. Homework, same as it is. Next, fourth one is sin of tan inverse. Write down first. First of all, fifth one. No gap. This is a very short, small gap. Log of cos e power x. Y is equal to log cos e power x. This is the problem. First to apply the log x formula one by one, step by step. First log x, next cos x, next e power x. How many times we have to derivate? 3 times, because 3 functions are there, because that's why 3 times derivative. First derivative, log x derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx. Log x derivative 1 by x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x means what? Cos e power x into d by dx of cos e power x. So that is equal to 1 by cos e power x. Derivative, this is our x. E power x can be taken x. Cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x into derivative of x. X means what? E power x. So finally, sin e power x by cos e power x. Sin by cos is equal to tan. Minus tan e power x into derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Okay, this one. Y is equal to sin of tan inverse of e power minus x. How many times we have to derivate? Sin tan inverse e power minus x and again minus x. 4 times. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx. This is the sin total. This is taken as x. Sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos of tan inverse of e power minus x and again derivative of x. X means what? Tan inverse of e power minus x. So that is equal to cos of tan inverse of, this one is up to same as it is, up to last, up to end. Tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Here x is what? E power minus x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, and again derivative of e power minus x. So that is equal to cos of tan inverse of e power minus x 1 by 1 plus e power minus x whole square is equal to e power minus 2x, or same as it is e power minus x whole square. And derivative of e power minus x, derivative of x means what? Minus x. Derivative of e power x is e power x, and again derivative of minus x. Derivative of x is a 1, but no. But derivative of minus 6 minus 1. That's why apply the derivative compulsory. So minus e power minus x minus e power minus x into cos of tan inverse of e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. This one. 1 by 1, 1 by 1. First observe the problem, and how many times that problem has derivative. How many times we have to derivative? How many functions are there in the given problem? Sine function, tan inverse function, e power x function, and again x means there is no another time. Minus x means minus 1, 4 times, mainly 3 times. 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Okay, any one derivative, first derivative or second time derivative, third time derivative or fourth time, any one we have to neglect. This problem is wrong. The last one to neglect means the 2 marks question come to 1 mark. This is okay. Don't neglect any step. The first derivative, second, third, fourth, any derivative, don't neglect. We have to thinking, we have to observe each and every one. The first step, we will go to third step. First of all, we will check the second step. Okay, we will go to next step. Third step means first we have to check second step. Second step is correct or wrong. Is a perfect means go to next step. Otherwise, no use. The mathematical means minus plus are important. Minus plus. Next, sixth problem. E power x plus e power x square y is equal to e power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5. This is u plus v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square plus d by dx of e power x cube plus d by dx of e power x power 4 plus d by dx of e power x power 5. So that is equal to d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square. E power x square can be converted into the formula e power x formula. E power x derivative e power x. X means not only x square. So again derivative of x square plus e power x cube derivative e power x cube into d by dx of x cube derivative of x cube plus e power x power derivative e power x power 4 into d by dx of x power 4 plus e power x power 5 derivative of e power x into d by dx of x power 5. So that is equal to e power x plus e power x square into derivative of x square 2x plus e power x cube into derivative of x cube 3x square plus e power x power 4 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube plus e power x power 5 into x power 5 derivative 5 into x power 4. So this is the dy by dx is enough, and again common with x, nothing. Okay, this is the sixth problem. This is the seventh one is y is equal to root of e power root x. Root of e power root x. First, how many times we have to derivate? 3 times. First of all, remove the root and e power x root x. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Y derivative dy by dx. Root x 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Into d by dx of x. X means what? E power root x. So 1 by 2 into root of e power root x into derivative of e power root x. Which formula? E power x formula. Derivative of e power x is e power x and derivative of root x, again root x, same direct root x. So e power root x by 2 into root of e power root x into derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. E power root x by 2 into root of e power root x, so derivative of root x 1 by 2 root 2, and again simplify 2 into 2 4 is common, this one. Eighth one, y is equal to log of log x. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx. This is the log x. This one is x. Derivative of log x 1 by x. X means log x into derivative of x. X means what? Log x. So 1 by log x into derivative of log x 1 by x. Ninth one, y is equal to cos x by log x. The given function apply the formula of u by v formula, must be u by v formula, because on cos x by log x, f of x by g of x, u by v formula, there is no way, only u by v formula. U by v, what is the u by v formula? D by dx of u by v is equal to, first of all, denominator v square, v into u dash minus u into v dash. This is the formula of u by v. So differentiate with respect to x Derivative dy by dx is equal to first v square means log x whole square, v means log x into derivative of u means what, cos x, derivative of cos x minus v into and u into derivative of v into d by dx of log x, that is equal to log x into derivative of cos x minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of log x 1 by x by log x whole square. Answer is enough, and simplify finally. X is LCM, minus x log x into sin x minus cos x by x into log x whole square. Common LCM, x LCM, minus x into log x into sin x minus cos x by x into log x whole square. Next, last one, cos of log x plus e power x. 10th problem, y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. So derivative with respect to x, this is totally x. The function, first of all, remove the cos x, means derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, minus sin into log x plus e power x, and again derivative of x, x derivative, x means what, log x plus e power x. So that is equal to minus sin log x plus e power x into derivative of log x 1 by x, e power x derivative e power x, derivative of e power x, e power x. Homework is example 29 homework. Which one? E power minus x sin of log x, e power minus x, second one sin of log x, third one cos inverse of e power x, cos inverse of e power x, fourth one e power cos x, e power cos x. Homework problems, homework madri. The next topic is exponential, derivatives of exponential function are completed. Next, derivatives of logarithmic functions, derivatives of logarithmic functions. Next topic is derivatives of logarithmic functions. First we have to observe basic formulas. A power x is equal to b, that implies log b to the base a is equal to x. Log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. Third one, log a power m is equal to m log a. log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. All are bases bases. Log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Log a minus log b to the base e to the base e. Base e must be base e. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b to the base e. Log a power m e power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. A power also a power log f of x to the base a is also f of x. When they apply this formula, this base, total base and log base both are same means given function a e 2 2 3 3 or anyone. This is the basic logarithmic formulas. Basic logarithm formulas. And derivative formulas. D by dx of log x. D by dx of log x to the base e is equal to 1 by x. Ninth one, d by dx of log x to the base a not e, because log e value 1, log a value not equal to 1, that's why not consider e. So that is equal to 1 by log a into 1 by x. 1 by log a into 1 by x. This is the derivatives of, this is logarithmic basic formulas and logarithmic derivative formulas. Okay, first observe this. This is the main one, log a power m into log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Okay, these exponential formulas and logarithmic formulas, inverse trigonometric formulas and trigonometric formulas, derivative formulas, all are we have to perfect. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the next derivatives of logarithmic functions problems. Next exercise 5.5. This is 5.5 is important one, so observe sincerely. So okay.